High-mix pipe spool fabrication remains a major challenge in industrial construction. Thousands of customized spools, complex workflows, strict quality requirements, and increasing labor shortages are driving the industry toward digitally driven manufacturing. To address these challenges, NAEC developed a flexible, intelligent fabrication solution for high-spec pipe spool production and supports clients in establishing advanced fabrication facilities, integrating intelligent manufacturing, automated logistics, and digital production management. The factory combines robotic automation, digitally driven production scheduling, and integrated manufacturing systems to support flexible fabrication of highly customized pipe spools. Multiple automated production lines operate simultaneously. Cutting, fit-up, welding, logistics, and inspection processes are fully integrated under centralized digital control. From order release to final delivery is digitally managed and coordinated. Production tasks are automatically distributed to each process and workstation. Workflow scheduling, material allocation, and equipment assignment are optimized by the system in advance. Digital modeling and vision technologies enable digitally driven precision manufacturing. Each spool is assigned a unique digital ID. From this point forward, every process remains fully traceable. Materials are automatically prepared and delivered to workstations through AGV logistics and intelligent handling systems. Automatic cutting and measurement. Maintain dimensional tolerance within 1 mm. Automated beveling and grinding. Ensure consistent weld preparation quality with precise torque control. Different pipe sizes can be processed without stopping production. Robots automatically identify pipe dimensions and adjust fixtures and welding parameters accordingly. Fit-up and welding processes are completed in a coordinated workflow for a typical project spool fabrication project. Production man-hour per inch dia have been significantly reduced by 80–88. Digital QA or QC systems and end-to-end data integration enable full lifecycle traceability throughout the fabrication process. Every fabrication step is automatically monitored and verified. Process deviations are identified in real time before moving to the next stage. Every production activity is digitally recorded by the system. Millions of production data points are automatically collected and linked to digital process records. All production data is automatically collected and digitally archived in real time, minimizing manual recording dependency. From raw material batches to welding parameters and inspection records, every fabrication detail is fully traceable. First pass acceptance rate exceeds 99.8%. Stable production scheduling supports reliable on-time delivery. The digitally driven fabrication model is being expanded across multiple industrial applications worldwide. This smart fabrication solution enables more reliable delivery, improved quality consistency, greater process transparency, and complete digital traceability. NAEC's digitally driven manufacturing innovations are advancing flexible, intelligent fabrication for high-spec industrial projects worldwide, shaping the future of fabrication.